Hi guys, I'm Chetana from Srvajna Education. I'm just going to explain the previous class. I think we already done two for basic formulas. So we are just continuing today. Okay. Third one, y is equal to root x. Okay. If I ask you what is the differentiation of the root x, immediately what you will tell 1 by 2 root x. But how you will get that 1 by 2 root x? That is important, correct? Why I am telling this? Because in case in our group function power in our fraction, bigger fraction, in the example 3 by 2, 5 by 2, 10 by 2, other in case bigger fraction formula in power. So that time it is very difficult to solve, okay, because root x and immediately the root x can be written as x to the power of half, and everyone knows this. So this can be written as x to the power of half. Are there another power in our x to the power of 5 by 2 or else 3 by 2 or else 9 by 4? If in case like this power, how we will do? That you should know, right? That's what I am going to explain the steps. So first we have to rewrite this. Y is equal to x to the power of half. See, the power is half because root x can be written as half. The differentiation of this looks like x to the power of n. You already know the formula. N x to the power of n minus 1. Correct? dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2 x to the power of 1 by 2 minus 1. So we have to do the LCM here. dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2 x to the power of minus half. As I already told you, if the power is negative, we have to bring down. If the power is negative, we have to bring down. That time it will become positive. So dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2, 1 divided by x to the power of half. Again, if the power is half, you can write it as a root x. dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by root x. So final 1 by 2 root x. See, this is the final answer. I got the same thing, right? What exactly mug up, no? The same thing. I just done step by step and then I've written here how 1 by 2 root x I'll get it. Yes guys, we'll just move on to the fourth one. Y is equal to k. K is nothing but constant. In the differentiation, except x, y, z, u, v, w, except all these variables, all other variables are constant only. We have to consider that is a even t also it's here considerable, and other variables and all actually here constant only. If constant, what is the differentiation of the constant? Normally differentiation is nothing but we always doing with respect to x only, but here there is no x, correct? x illanti. X illante differentiate ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. So that time it will be 0. Okay, so x idre matra you are going to do. If any function, right side, left side y should be there, right side x function should be there. Okay, in case like trigonometry, if you go to the trigonometry, x irutte. If you go to the logarithmic function, x irutte. Exponential function x irutte. So every functions including x only, correct? Here there is no x function, so the differentiation we can't do. The differentiation of this constant is 0. dy by dx is equal to 0. And also when I get the 0, it should be independent. It should be independent. It should not with any other function. Constant should not be with any other function. It should be always independent. Yes guys, we'll just move on to the fifth one. Y is equal to e power x. E power x is nothing but exponential function. See, the power is also x. So function is x here. So that's what the differentiation. You have to do the differentiation. The differentiation of the e power x is e power x. Very easy. dy by dx is equal to e power x only. Next, sixth one, y is equal to a power x. See here, I think some people get confused here. A is a constant, but the power is function. X function is there, correct? So we have to do the differentiation. So what is the differentiation of a power x? It's a direct formula. It's a power x log a. dy by dx is equal to a power x log a. Done. Next, seventh one. Y is equal to log x. It's a logarithmic function. In the trigonometry, normally you are using x function, trigonometric function, logarithmic function, exponential function. Okay, these are the four different functions you are going to play with that. Okay. So dy by dx is equal to 1 by x. Actually, the same, these concepts actually will get in the different chapter, integration, all the formulas are ulta. So many people get confused here. Don't get confused. What I am doing here, differentiation, just think about the differentiation. Don't think about the integration. Because integration and differentiation are ulta palta. So, these formulas are ulta, integration is so I'll confuse everybody. Differentiation, just concentrate on that. Okay. Yes guys, we'll move on to the eighth formula. From now, I'm doing all the trigonometric functions. So we have to do the differentiation for the trigonometry also. We have the formulas, okay, direct formulas. For that and all, explanation is not necessary. So we'll just go ahead. Y is equal to sin x. Differentiation of sin x is, again I told you, there are four different types of functions, right? This is a trigonometric function. Differentiation of the sin x is cos x. dy by dx is equal to cos x. Done. Here, ninth one I am doing here. Normally in differentiation or integration chapter, sin x, cos x, actually it will be always relation actually. Cos x is the sin x is the cos x, but there are only the difference is sign. Okay, so here sin x differentiation is cos x, and what is the cos x differentiation? Sin x but negative sign. dy by dx is equal to minus sin x. Next, we'll just go to the 10th one. Y is equal to tan x. How exactly sin cos relation? Adhe tarane tan secant relation. Okay, so tan x is secant irlebeku, secant is tan irlebeku. So ee tara both are related. So tan x differentiation is dy by dx is equal to secant square x. Okay, so tan x differentiation is secant square x. Next, 11th one we'll see. Y is equal to secant x. As I already told you, secant is the tan is the secant. So secant x differentiation is, you already guys know this, secant x tan x. dy by dx is equal to secant x tan x. Yes guys, we'll move on to the 12th formula. Y is equal to cot x. Here the cot x and cosecant x are related. The differentiation of this is dy by dx is equal to minus cosecant square x. Okay, so here cot and cosecant both are related. Wherever the cosecant is there, cot will be there, and wherever the cot is there, cosecant will be there in the formulas. Okay. So 13th one, y is equal to cosecant x. The differentiation of the cosecant x is dy by dx is equal to minus cosecant x cot x. 14th one. Okay, 14th one, last formula I am writing here. It's not a last formula, it is starting only. First video that I have already explained you when the function in the fraction form, how to write it anta ಅಲ್ಲಿ explanation ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ direct formula ಬರುತ್ತೆ. That's all. Okay. Y is equal to 1 by x to the power of n. So we have to rewrite this as a y is equal to x to the power of minus n. It looks like x to the power of n. So I have to put the same formula. Dy by dx is equal to minus n x to the power of minus n minus 1. Okay. So now in the power 2 minus are there. Correct. So I have to take a minus common here. Minus n x to the power of minus of n plus 1. Now the power is negative. If the power is negative, I have to bring down. It will become positive. So minus n divided by x to the power of n plus 1. That's all, guys. Yes guys, if you have any doubt, just please comment. Okay, and also if you have any doubt other than this differentiation, if you have any doubt in the math, no, any topic like integration, LPP, matrices, determinant, application of derivative, vector algebra, and 3D geometry, so many chapters are there, correct, right? Relations and functions, inverse trigonometry. So if you have any doubt, please comment. I'll just definitely put the video. And also in our description we have mentioned the website and contact number. You guys can contact us directly. And also please subscribe and click on the bell button. Thank you.